This is what I have done fast, actually, much faster than I would again crochet all these rows, 1 2 3 4 like 8, and I will start with my work in progress at the moment. It's a crochet top. The design I found in Pinterest is a picture. I know you can buy also similar top as a pattern, but I didn't buy because I wanted to make it myself, and then I came across this pattern, which I will link below video in the description box. And I wanted, the first time I ever knitted myself a round yoke. That was a little bit of adventure to me, but that part is fine. Until I got unraveled it totally until I got to the here, and I unraveled it and started again because I didn't like how the how it really sits. I didn't think I did correct increases, but then I sorted that out and I started again. I have a little bit something to change because this is what I have done. I unraveled a little bit of middle part and left just the round yoke, and the body part I didn't want to unravel of this because it is a lot of work. I will try to connect with this last row. I don't know how will I manage because it's top down, and probably with needle or crochet hook I will try, and I will see how it goes. And if it doesn't work or looks terrible and very visible, then of course I will unravel here. Now what I will need to do, I just will start raising the back a little bit, and after I finish I will try to attach the bottom part, and when I will be at the stage where I will have to attach this row, I will show you that as well. Sorry for maybe not such a good light, but I'm just taking every moment I can to finish, to film, not to finish of course. And here I wanted to show you how I found a way to fix and stitch it together so it looks invisible. I did one side, looks like this. I think you can't even tell where the connection is. Here you can tell on the wrong side there is a little bit the stripes, the chain. You can see that here has been something done, but I'm very pleased with the result, and this is definitely was worth it because it didn't definitely take me less definitely took me less time than I would unravel all this part because of the post stitches. I mean, this each row takes about roughly 50 minutes, so 13 of them, so 13 hours or 12 hours of work. I just didn't want to waste it. So, and I want to show you how I did. It definitely worked for this post stitch and the double crochet stitches. I had to unravel one row to get they unraveling like this, and you can see leg of the double crochet stitch, and here is my round yoke, and I connect with needle. I decided to use a needle, much easier. And what I do, I just follow the pattern again. Remember how I was crocheting and connecting each corresponding stitch. So what I do, I come out, I need to attach into this loop, so I come from underneath to the top. Then I take this stitch, pull through the yarn, and come back from the top to the back. And at the same time, I know I need to skip one chain, and I will come out like in the second chain, because that's how what my pattern says. And there you go, and you have attached one double crochet stitch. Now I need to get other one. I do the same. And come back the same way I came out. So, and next. And there you go, and looks almost invisible. Here I will need to connect 8 double crochets from the bottom, the 8 double crochets to this one loop. I already have the needle threaded from the bottom up. I came from the bottom, and I unravel. I decided to unravel one by one, not all, so it doesn't get tangled. And now I thread through all 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, done. And now I go back from the top to bottom and come out in the next stitch, because I need to attach next 8 double crochets. And like that, slowly, step by step. Well, it looks slow, but once you get a hang of it, it's quite fast actually. Much faster than I would, again, crochet all these rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. And again I go back like that, and I know the next stitch goes here, so I come out. No, and this way I work all the way around, and it looks like this. I think it's just great. Also, this method would be good for some fixing garments. Of course, I don't think for every crochet pattern this will be suitable, because some are like really complicated, and you would not be finding the right way of how to connect. But with simple double crochets, shell stitches and all that, it is possible. For example, if something goes wrong and I don't know, a cat pulled the thread on or made some damage to the garment, and then you're thinking what to do, so you could just eliminate few rows and connect it with needle. Thank you for watching this video. Please Press like button and subscribe to my channel not to miss any new videos. In this way I know that I will have to post maybe more videos about different topics. But until then, I just say goodbye and I see you in my next videos.